Here I have Nokia 8.3 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So the first method for this operation is you have to open a phone, open keyboard on it, and type the secret code, which is *# 06 pound. And here you can see IMEI information and also a serial number. And the second method, you just go to the settings, then go to the About Phone section, and here you have IMEI slot 1, IMEI slot 2, and in model and hardware section you have serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.